What's up, guys? Welcome to another XS Company YouTube video. Today we're going to be installing this exhaust on this ND Miata. We have a full titanium exhaust here from Amuse. It's the R1 Titan axle back, high flow cat, and mid pipe. It comes with full titanium hardware and gasket, so it can be as light as possible. It's 30 pounds lighter than OEM, and it's got a gold ring on the tip. So here, Alex is prepping the exhaust for install, trying to figure out where each gasket goes. Yeah.
It's
Great success.
good job, Alex.
Alright. I don't know where this goes. We'll figure it out. Maybe...
Alex can't figure out which hole it's supposed to go in. Right, Josh?
Yeah, typical Alex issues. Now Alex is putting anti-seize on the O2 sensor, so it doesn't seize. And then he's going to install the O2 sensor onto the high flow cat. Make sure you torque it to tightness. So we did have to remove the bracing underneath the vehicle to get to the exhaust. Other than that, it was just these two bolts, removing the O2 sensor and swapping it over to the new catless. It's not catless. To the new high flow cat. And then it was just exhaust hangers the rest of the way back, and we were able to remove it all in one piece. Of course, with every exhaust install, we have to start it with no exhaust on it.
Yeah! Do it again.
So next we're going to install the mid-pipe on the car. It just bolts to the high flow cat, and then one exhaust hanger holding it in. We're going to use our fancy new titanium hardware that Alex is getting all ready for us.
Wow.
And yeah,
Titanium.
Wow.
let's get to it.
Okay, go.
So we did play around with the blowtorch and end up burning one of the bolts on our own. This is what it looked like, how it came.
Looks sick.
Yeah, it's pretty sick. I like it.
What are we doing, Josh?
Alex is putting liquid exhaust on one of the exhaust gaskets for added safety to make sure it doesn't leak.
What are we installing now, Josh?
The mid pipe. We love the mid pipe.
Beautiful titanium R1 mid-pipe. What else do we have to install, Josh, on the mid-pipe?
The exhaust hanger, very important. Holds the exhaust in place.
Josh.
So to make the install easier, we are spraying the exhaust hangers with WD-40 just so it'll slide in nicer, because we love it when things slide in good. Yeah. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, that's it for this install video. I give this exhaust a 10 out of 10 on the easiness scale. It was fairly easy to install, came with all the hardware we needed. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. We do have a wing coming for this car that we will be filming an install video on shortly, and we'll make sure to get you guys some sound clips before the end of the video. Thanks for watching.